One of the best revenue opportunities in an auto repair shop is often the work that was recommended but not approved yet. In 2026, AI can help shops follow up on declined work and pending estimates in a more organized and persuasive way. Instead of letting those opportunities disappear, AI can help create follow-up messages based on urgency, service type, and customer history. America's Best Shops works with auto repair shops to make sure this kind of communication feels helpful, not aggressive. The message should remind the customer what was found, why it matters, and why timing can affect safety, cost, or performance. Done correctly, this strategy can raise average repair order and improve customer retention at the same time. The key is consistency. Most shops mean to follow up, but get too busy. AI helps automate the process so fewer recommendations go cold. That turns more inspections into approved work and more approved work into real revenue.